You already know who it is, man. It's the one and only B.I.R.D., that fly guy. About business entertainment. Yeah. Alright. About business entertainment. Time and time again, do I have to ask them why? Why when I'm off in the club, you know that I'm the freshest guy? All attention is on me, cause I'm fresh as I can be. And their lovers choosing on me, that's why they hating on me. But see, it really don't mean a thing, cause I came and hit the ball. Yeah, I'm chilling with my crew, I got my head a blocker zone. Got my Glock off in my drawers, got my bitch, she to the right. And you know we smoking, drinking, and we chilling in the night. But if you get in my face, back up. If you get out of line, back up. If you step on my shoe, back up. You know what you should do.